Becoming a millionaire in the UK and anywhere in the world usually takes a combination of talent, hard work and luck. Some people inherit wealth and property, others build it by themselves. Today I'm going to tell you the best ways to become a millionaire in 2022. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and welcome back to the Wealth HQ. There is no guaranteed path to amassing wealth, but there are some basic tenets that can help you get on the right track. If you want to become a millionaire, here are some steps that you should follow. Invest early and often. Investments take time to increase in value. So the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Try to invest at least 10% of your income each month, even if it's just into a simple savings account. Live below your means. This may seem obvious, but if you want to save money, you need to spend less than you earn. The best way to do this is to track your monthly spending and see where you can cut back. Automate your finances. You can automate your finances by sending a fixed amount of money into a savings or investment account each month. It will save time and prevent you from making unnecessary exceptions. Invest in yourself. One of the smartest investments you can make is in yourself. You can improve your knowledge and skills by taking courses and workshops, including online courses and platforms like Skillshare. This opens up more job opportunities and can lead to promotions and raises. Pay off debt. Debt can be crippling. The faster you pay it, the better. The best way to become a millionaire and pay off debt is to focus on paying more than your monthly rate and continue to save or invest in that amount once you've paid it off. Did you know the average debt per adult in the UK amounted to 108% of average earnings? Have an emergency fund. It is always a good idea to have some money set aside in case of emergencies. You should have at least 3 months worth of living expenses saved up in case you lose your job or experience an unexpected financial setback. Create a budget. Creating a budget is crucial for tracking your spending, determining what you can cut back on, and figuring out how much you can save and invest. Invest in assets. When you invest your money, you should try and focus on assets rather than liabilities. It's better to start investing in things that will eventually generate income, such as stocks, real estate, or businesses. Stay disciplined. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. Once you figure out your finances and create a plan, keep at it and stay focused on your goals. Have a long-term perspective. It is easy to go over your spending limit when you don't have a long-term goal. Once you establish what your long-term goals are, it'll be easier to focus on making them true. Becoming a millionaire requires a lot of time and patience. The time you need to get there largely depends on your strategy and long-term goals. The average person will need to save for about 19 years, and even then, they would only have about a 50% chance of becoming a millionaire. Investments, on the other hand, can turn an average person into a millionaire much faster. The sky's the limit. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. This has been the Wealth HQ, and see you in the next video.